Welcome you all on the channel Live to Learn. Today we are going to discuss determiners. It's an important chapter in English grammar. Determiners are the words which emphasize on the words and their uses. No language is complete without determiners. Let's see what's the role of determiners in English. Well, friends, today we are going to discuss determiners. Determiners are the words that are used before nouns to determine or fix their meanings. It is necessary to be used before nouns. Otherwise, we cannot make clear the meaning of noun. These are of various types like articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, difference showing words, numbers, distributives, and question words. Now we will discuss them one by one in various episodes coming ahead. In this very episode, we are discussing articles which are most important thing that we are studying since middle school. It is very simple to say that articles are three: a, an, and the. But these are very important to know how to use in English language. In this very episode, we are going to start articles. So please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, so that you might not miss the rest part of this determiners. So where the use of a is done, actually a is used before singular countable nouns. Noun should be countable and singular too. And there is one more condition: it must be used for the first time. In the sentence or in the paragraph, when the noun is mentioned for the first time, a is used. It is written as first letter of the English alphabet, but it is pronounced a, not a. In place where the following words starts with consonant sounds, a is used. Wherever you find any noun starting with consonant sound specially, make it sure the sound must be consonant sound. No matter, at many places we use consonants but the sound is of vowel, then we won't be using a over there. Example: a book, a cat, a university. Now see, you will say that U is a vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The U is vowel. But here the pronunciation of U is not that of vowels. While pronouncing U as vowel, we say umbrella, up, understood. Is used as the sound of U, but here U is similar to its name. So A is used over there. Let's see more examples. Like he is a teacher. Teacher is countable noun. It's singular. Then he is a teacher. With certain numbers like 100, 1,000,000, 1,000. It is also used before units. A second, an hour, a minute, a kilo, a gram, a meter, a kilometer. So with various units, means all the units, we use A along with that. With professions also, like he is an actor, he is a teacher, he is a driver, he is a lecturer. And with exclamatory sentences also, before countable singular nouns. What a great shot! What a lovely flower! What a cute baby! What a happy ending! Similarly, what an ugly bug! Ugly vowel sound. It starts with vowel sound. Ugly, then an. It is very hard and fast rule in English that we cannot use two vowel sounds in consecutive words in the sentence. That's why an has been invented. So, to make the flow, an is used. Means A is also vowel, ugly is also starting with vowel. So, two vowel sounds, ugly, it cannot be like that. We cannot talk that in a flow. So, an is given in between and an has been invented. In this way, with various quantities like a lot of, a few, a little, a couple, we use A along with that. A few books were lying on the table. A little money was there in the purse. And now let's talk about an. An performs the same function as A used to. But the difference I have explained in the previous slide only, where the sound is vowel sound. Instead of an is used. Now you will say with MP, M is consonant. But while speaking MP, vowel sound comes in the front. Am, am. So sound is in the front, that is vowel sound. So an is used, an MP. An honest, not honest. Honest is wrong. It is honest. An SSP, an MLA, an SP, an SHO. So, wherever, whatsoever the consonant is, but if the pronunciation starts with vowel sound, we use an. Now, see one more example. 1 rupee note. 1. It starts with O. ONE is the spelling. It starts with O. O is vowel. But the sound, pronouncing sound is not as vowel sound. It is 1. V or W you can say. 1. So, A is used along with that. A 1 rupee note. A bus. So, a cat. In this way, A and N are classified. Before plural nouns, A and N both are not used. You must take care of this while the exercise you do, that is editing, you have to take care over there. A man, a dog, an apple, but never a water, a milk, a ram. With proper nouns, we never use a or an. In the same way, the quantities, the things which are uncountable, we never use a or an. Now let's talk about the. It is known as definite articles. When it specify a particular noun, the is used. If suppose we talk about a dog means the dog might be any. But when we talk the dog, then the is for the special one. Before the names of seas, rivers, group of islands, chains of mountains, plurals, names of countries. We will discuss plural names of the countries in the later part of this episode. Oceans, deserts, regions, we use the Andaman and Nicobar. There are so many islands in this group. It is a group of islands. So, the Andaman and Nicobar. We cannot say Andaman and Nicobar. The Arabian Sea, the Himalayas, the Ganga, the Godavari. Now, you will see with the same noun, a and the are used. So, let's make it clear where the difference is. Why these two are used separately. A cat ate the mouse cheese. Simple. Cat is also one and mouse is also one. Then why the is used and a is used? A cat. Cat was someone, we don't know which cat was that, but that was a cat. That was one cat which ate the cheese. Which cheese? Which belonged to the mouse. There might be so many cheese pieces, but the cat ate only that which belonged to the mouse. That's why the mouse cheese. The cat eats the mouse cheese. Now, For the second time, we are talking about the same cat about which we talked earlier. An apple fell from the tree. Very clear. An apple had a fall from the tree. The tree might be one under whom I was standing, and an apple fell from there. There are so many apples, and one apple fell from the tree. Therefore, an is used with apple and the is used with the tree. In the second line, the apple fell from the tree was very sweet. Now I'm talking about the same apple which had fallen down in front of me, and I picked it. The apple fell from the tree was very sweet. So in this way, the is used. It defines the apple. A boy came and helped me. Some boy came and helped me. I don't know who was he. There were so many boys, and one boy came. The boy is very kind. Now, second time, I am talking about the same boy who helped me. The boy is very kind. I am not talking about any other boy. So, the boy about whom I am talking is very kind. That's why the is used over here. Before a surname in plural form to denote a family, the is used. Like the Dhillans, the Bhalas, the Pandits, the Khuranas, the Chawlas, the Brahmacharis, the Banerjees. Means we are talking about so many Banerjees, so many Bhalas, so many Khuranas, all together as a group. That's why the is used over here. The is also used before unique objects like the army, the herd, before a proper noun when it is qualified by an adjective. Otherwise, with proper noun we never use any article. But when an adjective used is to qualify it, the is used. The great man, the great Ashoka, the great king. Before certain adjectives to give a plural meaning. The rich hate the poor. Here, rich and poor are plural in meaning. Rich means the group of all the rich people in the society. The poor means the group of all the poor people around us. So there, the is used along with that. When we refer to the group of people from a particular place, especially before the name of the people, like the people living in some country, the people of Canada, the Americans, the Indians. We are talking about the large group. However, they are so many in number, but we are talking about a group in single sense. So, the is used over there. In the same way, with the celestial bodies, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Mars, the Saturn, the is used. With the musical instruments also, the harmonium, the tabla, the piano, he can play the tabla very well. So there we use the. Before sacred books like the Bible, the Gita, the Quran, we use the along with that. When referring to a time period or mentioning a date like the 18th century, the 11th of May, before parts of body, he pulled him by the leg. So leg is the parts of one part of body, so the is used along with that. Before name of a newspaper or magazine, the is used. Like the Tribune, the India Today, the Times of India, the Statesman. Before the name of many inventions, like who invented the television, who invented the radio, and in the same way with the superlative degrees, he's the tallest boy, he is the smartest child, the sweetest fragrance. Now let's see about the omission, where the is not used. Before names of common people, we never use the. As we have read earlier, that the is not used with proper nouns. Before abstract noun, in general sense, the is never used. Like poverty is a curse. Before names of the meals, the is never used. I had some bread and butter for breakfast. It is never said as the breakfast or the lunch. No. It's straight away said breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Before material nouns means like gold, iron, whatever is the ingredient of anything, that is known as material noun, there the is not used. Like gold is a precious metal, not the gold is a precious metal. The should not be written. Water is precious. Water is treasure. Not the water is. Milk is good for health. Not the milk is good for health. The is used with a material noun if it is used with an adjunct which makes it definite. Like you say, the gold we use in India is all imported. Now we are talking about gold which is used in India. That gold is all imported, that all comes from abroad. Before relations like father, mother, sister, With this, never the is used. But if these words are used with reference to the society, nation, etc., the should be compulsory to used. Father is very angry today. With father, no the is used. But when we talk, Mahatma Gandhi is the father of nation, then the will be there. Because we are talking with the reference to the nation. Before plural nouns, like historians study old monuments. Members are requested to pay their subscription in time. With historians and members, no the is used. The is never used. The members of the committee are requested to report at the hall. Here we are talking about the specific group of members. Therefore, the is used. Otherwise, the is never used. Before common nouns, used in pairs. She worked day and night. Day is also common noun. Night is also common noun. But when day and night are used in pairs, here day and night are in pair. So the is not here. The will never be here. These all things are to be taken care while doing editing exercise in your exams. Now, with the countries where the words like states, republic, kingdom, federation, with their names, article the is used. For example, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Czech Republic, the Russian Federation, etc. India is a proper noun. Therefore, no the is used along with India. India only refers to the country which is named as India. There is no other country known as India there in the whole world. So we need not any specification. We never need to put the India because nobody is going to ask which India. But when we need to write republic word along with it, it must be written like the Republic of India. In the same way, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. This is all about determiners. Thank you for being with us. Like, share and subscribe the channel if you are new, and also press the all button so that whichever next video is posted will directly enter your inbox. Thank you for being with us once again. Bye bye. Thank you.